Hey everyone, Joe back with Gorilla Joe's Barbecue. Today we're cooking up some baby back ribs. We're going to be part of a YouTube collab that Cooking and Barbecue's putting on. So if you search hashtag 4K baby back, you'll find a lot more videos. And that goes good because I'm using a new 4K camera, so you have to let me know how that looks. I'm going to be cooking up something a little crazy. We're going to be doing some Caribbean jerk pineapple ribs. And if those don't turn out, I always have the tried and true honey hog. So let's get at it. Let's check it out. I'm gonna start off by prepping my ribs, getting these packs cut open. Throw those right away. The main thing about ribs is you want to get this membrane off the back. Always keep paper towels nearby. And just get a knife. Doesn't even have to be sharp. I've used butter knives to do this as well. I'm just gonna cut along this first bone. Get that membrane coming up. I'm gonna use my paper towel to grab that membrane, wrap it up, pull it right off. Sometimes I might split up the middle like that. You definitely don't want to leave it. So get back and get the rest of that off. Just gonna trim up a little bit of this. Besides that, those are good to go. Alright, I'm going to prep the Caribbean jerk pineapple ribs first. I'm going to try something I've never tried before. I'm using some Caribbean jerk wing seasoning mix as my rub. So we'll see how this goes. Just going to pat this guy dry. And in. Don't look very half bad. Alright, I'm gonna set that one aside. And for these other two, I have Meat Church's Honey Hog Barbecue. Alright, I already got the smoker up and running at 250 degrees, loaded down with pecan wood. So let's head on out. Alright, to go with these pineapple Caribbean jerk ribs, I thought I'd make a pineapple themed drink. So I'm gonna make a pineapple frozen pina colada, and we'll see how it turns out. All right, so starting off, I'm gonna use my Ninja blender. I'm adding in 1 pound of frozen pineapple, 1 cup of coconut milk, about 3/4 cup of some rum, and then just some lime juice. All right, we'll blend it up and see how she tastes. Pretty good. I think I'm gonna add some ice in though and get a little more slushy. That's good. Let's go check on those ribs. All right, it has been 2 hours on the smoker at 250. I'm actually really liking how this Caribbean jerk one's looking. So I'm gonna go show you what my process is for wrapping. Let's start by putting just a little honey on the bottom, a little honey on top, some regular brown sugar, a little sweet in there, and some dollops of butter. I always use 2 pieces of foil per wrap, and you want the heavy duty foil so nothing breaks through. For the Caribbean jerk, I'm not going to put any honey or brown sugar on it. I am going to put a little extra butter. Alright, I'm gonna head back out and put these back on for about an hour and a half. What you're gonna learn is 3-2-1 on ribs is actually false. A lot of people say that to use that, but that's gonna get you overdone on ribs. So I'm doing about a 2 to 1.5 to a 1. So it's gonna be a lot less cook time, but they're gonna come out perfect.
Hey everyone, just want to give you a quick reminder. If you're liking these videos, make sure you show that support by hitting that subscribe button, liking the video, sharing it out, and hitting that bell so you don't miss any others. Thanks for watching.
Alright, it's been another hour and a half on the smoker. I unwrapped the other 2 ribs on the smoker because they don't get anything else special. But this one's getting something special, so we brought it inside. Let's check it out. Ooh. Really hot. Now for these, I'm gonna be using some Cosmos Pineapple and Heat Rib Glaze and pineapples. I got a little bit of a base coat on there. Just gonna layer on some pineapples. There we go. Those are gonna go back on the smoker. Look at those. So I always flip my ribs over, slice them on the back side so you know where to slice them at. First one's the Meat Church Honey Hog. Beautiful ribs. This one though, I want to flip it over, so I want to cut these with it. So I'm just going to try to get between the bones. Oh, juicy. I cannot wait to try those. Alrighty. Got my drink. And I got my ribs. Caribbean jerk pineapple. Give them a shot. Oh wow. There's a little heat from that Cosmos rib glaze. Pineapple takes it away though with that sweetness coming in. And that jerk seasoning. It may be wing seasoning, but it is good. Bites right off the bone. So I'm saying 3, 2, 1's a lie. Wow. Those are delicious. That complements it nicely. Now for the old honey hog barbecue with honey and brown sugar. I always know they're gonna be good because that's good rub. But man, I'm liking those pineapple jerk ones a lot better. There's just so much more flavor to that profile. Well, I'm gonna keep on eating. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this new video format and what I should smoke next. And remember to keep your eyes open for July 7th. That's the first video of the barbecue Pitmasters of YouTube competition. I'm going against Drunken Chef, and we're gonna be cooking steak for that one. So keep your eyes open for that. Thanks.